Olivia Plath is opening up about the surprising TLC star who slid into her DMs, and how she responded. On an episode of The Sarah Fraser Show on October 1st, host Sarah Fraser asked the photographer, 26, if she had any fun celebrity encounters after her divorce from Ethan Plath. While she joked she's too old for Leonardo DiCaprio to reach out, "I'm over 25, she said, Olivia revealed that she did receive some messages from a fellow reality star. "Let me let you guess, it's from another show that I'm pretty sure you've covered, and I would say a pretty problematic figure, that just loves to get in relationships with girls abroad and send them lots of money," Olivia teased. She then revealed that the mystery man was Big Ed from the 90-Day Fiancé franchise. When Fraser questioned if she responded to the DMs, Olivia said she did, and described him as problematic because of his dating history and on-again, off-again relationship with Liz Woods. "I did respond because he was just telling me all kinds of stuff," she laughed. "I just said, yeah, you like The View?" Olivia also opened up about the more serious things in her life, including explaining why her divorce needs to be revised after it was initially finalized in April 2024. "So as the beginning of this season showed last year, I was trying to get divorced. I was trying to get Ethan to sign the paperwork. However, he didn't want to fill out all of the paperwork," she explained. "He didn't want to fill out the financial part of the paperwork. So then I was like, well, if he's not filling it out, I can't fill it out. I'm not coming to court being like, yeah, I'm making all this money and he's not making any money. We're not playing this game." So it got flagged by the courts that it had to be finalized and fixed, she added. "And that is where it still rests because I cannot get an answer out of him to finally fix that." People has reached out to a rep for Ethan for comment. Still, Olivia maintained that she wasn't letting unresolved issues get in the way of moving forward in her life. She went on to say that her new relationship with a man named Brendan, who made his debut on this season of Welcome to Plathville, is going well. "That was actually a pretty wild process," she shared. "He's a very private person and doesn't really want a public life, so to speak, on his own accord. He was like, you know what, this is part of your life. And it's a really big part of your life. Your entire adult life has been public. So I'll join you for some of it and see how I feel about it and kind of play it by ear." She continued, "So he's a little shy on camera, but honestly, just such a great person. And I feel really lucky to have him in my life." In a September episode of Welcome to Plathville, Brendan introduced himself to viewers while he and Olivia were on a trip together in Sonoma, California. "I'm very much a head-first kind of guy," Brendan told the cameras. "If I like someone or if I like something, I want to dive head-first into it. I feel like there's not really another point to do anything else." Cameras then showed the couple kissing and saying, "I love you," to one another. "I just want to be able to grow old and sit on a park bench and stare out into the sun," Brendan said. "Just be able to sit there and appreciate each other's company. There's no one like her, and I would never want anyone else."